Advice for a young man in his 20s. Your 20s are a defining decade, a time when the decisions you make will set the course for your future. Here's how to make the most of it. Have a plan, but stay adaptable. Figure out what excites you, what challenges you, and what you could see yourself dedicating years to. Your first plan won't be perfect, and that's okay. But having no plan at all is the quickest way to drift into mediocrity. Set goals, work toward them, and adjust as you grow. Develop discipline and self-mastery. Raw talent is overrated. The men who succeed are the ones who show up every day, even when they don't feel like it. Build habits that make you stronger, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Discipline is the foundation of freedom. Take responsibility. It's where meaning comes from. Too many young men avoid responsibility, thinking it will tie them down. The opposite is true. Taking on responsibility gives your life purpose. Whether it's in your career, relationships, or personal growth, the more you take ownership, the stronger you become. Don't fear commitment. It's the core of a fulfilling life. A meaningful relationship with someone you love will be one of the greatest sources of strength in your life. Don't buy into the lie that avoiding commitment will somehow lead to a better, freer life. True fulfillment comes from building something real, a partnership, a family, a legacy. Realize that the world needs your contribution. You have something unique to offer. It may take years to find it, but never doubt that the world would be worse off without your full effort. Act as if what you do matters, because it does. Embrace fear, but don't let it control you. Fear will always be there. Fear of failure, of rejection, of making the wrong choice. Feel it, but act anyway. The men who succeed aren't fearless. They're just unwilling to let fear stop them. Your 20s are an opportunity. Make them count.